Hi there and welcome. Today I am going to explain about the Proceum's e-learning platform for the phase 1 of MBBS, which is commonly referred as first year MBBS. So here the Proceum introduces a revolutionary learning management system tailored to meet the exact requirements of the competency-based medical education curriculum proposed at 2024. Which is prescribed by the National Medical Commission. So this Proceum platform is designed to provide medical students and educators with the most advanced tools and resources, ensuring success in today's competitive and ever-evolving healthcare landscape. So whether you are a student preparing for the academic excellence or an educator looking for innovative teaching aids, Proceum serves as an ideal partner to redefine learning and teaching in medical education. So, you might be thinking, why Proceum is the ultimate choice? So, one thing I want to make it very clear here, that the Proceum is the only platform offering content that is fully aligned with the latest CBME curriculum. So, it is not just about learning, it's about transforming the way students understand, retain and apply the medical knowledge. So before we dive into the Proceum LMS features, let me give you an overall idea about the phase 1 of MBBS, subjects, number of topics and competences. So the first year of MBBS under the CBME curriculum focuses on 3 core subjects: anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. So anatomy has totally 82 topics covering 413 competences. Physiology has 12 topics with 136 competences, and biochemistry has 14 topics covering 84 competences. So the total number of competences for the first year of MBBS as per the latest CBME curriculum is 633. This is what NMC requires. So what Proceum is providing for the first year MBBS and what library is all about. So see guys, that the Proceum provides a robust and unmatched repository of resources to support the exact CBM framework and enhance the learning experience. So the first year of MBBS includes 1708 video lectures and much more will be added on regular basis, where engaging visuals simplify even most complex topics, making them easier to understand. So now, along with these videos, there are 1366 lecture notes are easy to follow and provide in-depth explanations for every topic, ensuring a thorough grasp of the material you read. So to reinforce learning, Proceum offers a vast collection of 8,000 plus multiple choice questions. These are carefully designed to test students' knowledge, provide immediate feedback after you click whether it is a right or wrong answer, and includes a detailed explanation to clarify concepts. Additionally, the platform has 6,500 plus case-based scenarios that allow students to integrate theoretical knowledge with practicals and clinical applications. So this comprehensive library ensures that the students are well equipped with the tools needed to success in their academic as well as clinical endeavors. So now, how Proceum enhances your learning journey. So remember guys, Proceum is not just another educational platform. It is a well-structured approach designed to ensure success for all of you. So the learning journey actually begins by watching the animated video lectures first, where the complex topics are broken down into simple, visually engaging formats to help you to grasp the fundamentals effortlessly. So once the foundational concepts are much clear, students can move towards a detailed lecture notes which is tagged for every video. And these notes are designed to reinforce understanding, providing in-depth coverage of every topic and solidify the knowledge gained through the videos. And also, to further test and strengthen your knowledge, Proceum offers a topic-specific multiple choice questions where nobody are providing this. So with immediate feedback and detailed explanation for each answer, these MCQs not only help you to assess your learning but also provide insights to the areas where most questions are framed and aligning your preparation with the postgraduate entrance exams like National Exit Test and USMLE or NEET PG or maybe FMG. So finally, after finishing MCQs, Proceum integrates learning with the case-based scenarios. So by applying the theoretical knowledge to the real-world clinical situations, students can develop critical reasoning skills, understanding patient care better, and think like a physician from the first day of the med school itself. So this structured and integrated approach ensures a comprehensive and effective learning experience. So now, the Proceum CBME aligned approach is perfectly designed to ensure students achieve academic and professional excellence by mastering the concepts early and efficiently through the structured as well as the interactive content. So the students in this platform can build a solid foundation that supports their long-term learning goals. So the integration of case-based scenarios bridges a gap between the theoretical knowledge and the practical application, equipping learners with the ability to think critically and act decisively just like skilled physicians. Moreover, Proceum's focus on exam readiness ensures that students are well prepared for the postgraduate entrance exams such as National Exit Test, NEET PG and USMLE right from the beginning of their medical education journey. This comprehensive and future-focused approach enables our students to confidently meet the demands of their academic and clinical careers. So the CBME curriculum aims to develop skills and knowledge to think like a physician. So Proceum bridges the gap between the traditional teaching and clinical practice by integrating lecture-based learning with the real-world applications. So this approach empowers the students to understand how foundational knowledge translates to patient care. Access the world-class medical education content designed to support your journey to success. With Proceum, everything you need is just a click away. Visit www.proceum.com or download the Proceum app today and start exploring a new standard in medical education. Proceum, where the future doctors begin their journey. Thank you so much.